Why are you taking me? What have I done? You are part of the protest. You are the part of the protest. 1 second. You are a part of the protest. Come. Hold on. Oh no, hold on. You are the part of the protest.
Some that have been taken to Agasai police station in the police bus. We are here and we don't have the freaking freedom. Government ache. Kudos to the president. Thank you very much for coming down to Goa and for screwing up our liberation day and our freedom. Okay, we Goans are treated like this today on our liberation day. President even doesn't belong over here. He's come and because of all the security, we as Goans are not given the liberty to practice our liberation rights. It is a sad situation and to all the Goenkas who are watching this, watch what is happening and what our Sarkar is doing this to us. This is what we want. This is the freedom that we are fighting for. This is why we've got liberation for 60 years. Huh? Thank you. Diobare Koru for everything. See, this, thank you. This is what we want, no? Sir, thank you, Goa government, the elected BJP for treating us like this. President sir, thank you for coming down to Goa and not allowing us go and celebrate our own Goa Liberation Day. Shame. That's my son over there. What are you doing there? I have my son over there. I have my son over there. Where you want me to go over there? No, I want my son. I want my son. I want my son. My son is over there. Who's going to take him home? Who's going to take him home? My son is over there. My son is over there. What are you not doing? What are you not doing?
सेवा मध्ये मोग पहिले आमच्या गोंयकाराचो आणि एक पळय सगळ्यांक सांगता गोंयकारांक हे आमच्या भुरग्यांक त्रास ह्या पुलिसांनी यांच्या भुरग्यांक बाबू ह्या पुलिसांक इन्स्ट्रक्शन हा and this is not right. We are suffering for our children.
चल. Shame on this BJP government.
चल. बिचारी लाचार पुलिस
My son is crying over there. My son is crying over there. My son is crying over there.
गुडघ्याच्या हालत काय सगळे गोंयकार
अरे अमर